guys, welcome back to another DIY video here on this channel. If you are new here and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, then hi, welcome, my name is Katie. If you enjoyed this IKEA hack video, then be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos just like this. In today's video, we are going to be transforming the IKEA RAST chest of drawers into this really cool 6-drawer dresser type situation for my bedroom. This is a relatively simple DIY where all we're really going to be doing is staining the wood, painting the drawers and changing the doorknobs. So the first step of this challenge was to head to the hardware store and pick up the handles that I wanted to use. Picking up these black door handles. I'm really happy with them. There was 4 in a pack, so it's actually ended up being really good value. We're hoping to eventually get a black metal bed frame in our bedroom, so I think these will look really cool next to that. Okay, I think we are finally ready to start building the chest of drawers. I'm super excited. I really want to get started, so let's do it. Painting all of the exterior wood that will be showing. It's taking a lot longer than I had anticipated, so bear that in mind. I'm going to let that dry now and I'm going to paint the drawers in a nice charcoal grey colour. And then once all of that is dry, I can assemble everything, and then I have to repeat the process on the second chest of drawers and assemble everything together. Drying now for about an hour, and I think we're okay now to put the knobs onto all of the drawers and put the drawers into the unit. So the handles that I bought came with this little pack of screws that I'm hoping will fit into the holes that are already pre-drilled into the drawers for the handles that it came with. So fingers crossed they screw in without any problems. Guys, I am finally done with this IKEA RAST hack. This was a super easy DIY project and very budget friendly. All I really needed was some wood stain, some chalk paint and some new door handles for the drawers. So this project cost me £68 to do. I think that's really good for such a large unit. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell notification so that you get notified when I upload. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!